Hello everybody and welcome to this course, Metasploit Penetration Testing Recipes. Before starting with this course, let's have some introduction about myself. My name is Lawrence Hammer. I am an OSCP in CBTE. I'm also doing security researching, threat intelligence. I'm also founder of ZeroXSP Mongoose framework. You can connect me through zeroxsp.com. In this course, you will go through some of the great recipes that will allow you to start using Metasploit effectively. You will build your skills with some best practices, tricks, and techniques, along with performing some of the troubleshooting issues which you may encounter using Metasploit. Section 1. This section will teach you how to prepare, build local and online lab environments to accomplish your penetration testing goals. Section 2. We will start conducting common attacks issues which you may use. Section 3. We will learn the correct path for white box testing, from scanning techniques until exploitation. Section 4. We will cover all methods used with black box testing, starting from footprinting, ending with post-exploitation techniques. Section 5. We will cover client-side exploitation, and you will learn how to compromise devices, evade antiviruses, and much more. Section 6. Metasploit has a wide array of post-exploitation modules, which is very useful through pen testing. So in this section, you will be able to use all of these. Section 7. Building custom exploits. Metasploit is an open source project. You can contribute by your own exploit. In this section, you will be able to build your exploit from scratch, starting from fuzzing until exploitation. Before starting with this course, there are some conditions you have to care about. First, have basic knowledge about Linux command. Second, basic knowledge about penetration testing in general. Third, basic understanding of Metasploit framework. As extra information, you can get codes through GitHub repo. By the end of this course, you will have great recipes to get started with Metasploit effectively. You will have best techniques used through usage of Metasploit framework. You will learn also bypassing antiviruses, injection techniques, privilege escalations, post-exploitation modules. You will be able also to build your own exploit from scratch. So, let's get started.